Hurry up, Bob. We are late for work.
Oh, all right. Let's get your things.
So this purse is mine, but this wallet and these sandwiches are yours.
Yeah, that's my lunch. And this is my cell phone.
Okay. And your ID card is here too.
These are your books.
Yes. And this is your chocolate bar.
And that brush is yours.
And this is my notebook.
All right.
Great. Well, I think that's it. Have a nice day.
You too.